Getting started with Billee is simple. As the Chief Administrative and Security Officer for your company, the Billee support team will email your account access information. From the billee.ca website, click on the Client Login and enter your company ID number, your username, and your temporary password. As the Chief Administrative and Security Officer, you can modify anything on the Setup tab at any time. From the main navigation menu, under the Setup tab, click on Users. Up to 12 other users can access Billee to process payments. Add them on this screen by simply adding their login info. This screen also allows you to grant authority to different functions for each user. Their corresponding spending limits are listed on the right-hand side of the screen. You can even customize a background screen color and language of preference for each user. Now we're ready to move to the bank account screen. On this screen, you can have up to 6 bank accounts that originate funds. Associate these bank accounts to your general ledger number to journalize your cash disbursements. Billee will track it all for you. Simply store the banking information in the form of a branch number, institution number, and account number. You get this information either by contacting your bank or looking at the bottom of your checks. Later, when you're ready to create a payment, the bank account stored on this screen will display in a drop-down field on your payment screen. Simply click on the account you wish to pay from. Next, we will set up signing officers. If your company requires more than one signature on a payment, Billee supports from 1 to 4 different signing officers to approve your payments. As a signing officer, you will be notified by email when there are pending payments awaiting approval. Signing officers log into the system, go to the transmission screen, then log in again to approve payments. Prior to approval, signing officers can modify, post-date, or delete payments from being transmitted. To activate a signing officer's profile, simply add their login name, passcode, and email on this screen. Billee supports full cost accounting, expense tracking, and allocation. Expenses can be allocated across multiple cost centers by splitting amounts by either percentage or lump amounts. This screen allows you to customize each account using your own host accounting software's chart of accounts. By doing so, all payment journals and reports will be able to feed your host accounting system. A complete cash journal entry is done for you by Billee. Simply enter your chart of accounts on this screen. Account numbers will display on the payment screen, allowing you to select and allocate payments. For small businesses, use the Billee's Cash Journal to help track expenses and manage cash flow. The final item to set up before generating payments is the Payee list. From the main navigation menu, select Payee, then select the Add New Payee button. A Payee profile screen will open, allowing you to enter the name, address, and contact information for this payee. Additionally, you will need to enter your account number with this payee and their banking information. The simplest way to get their banking information is to have them fax a voided check. You can also use the fax template located on the Downloads page on this website to request the banking info, allowing you to send them payments. No banking information? No problem. Leave this area blank and Billee will automatically mail them a check on your behalf. Thank you for joining me. You are now ready to start generating payments. If you have any questions, please contact support from Billee's online message center or from the Billee website. At any point while using Billee, click on the Help menu. The Help menu is screen sensitive and will take you to the instruction page for whichever screen you are on. The team at Billee looks forward to assisting you in making your payments easier, less expensive, and more secure.